You say! Universal charge! You say! Pagdating sa Bacolod niya. You say!
Sabi nga nung isang lord.
You say!
You say! Sabi niya.
Siyempre naiintindihan mo, right?
Ano yung
Universal charge?
And I thought that was simple, and I thought that I don't belong. And now that I am leaving, now I know that I did something wrong, 'cause I miss you. Yeah.
Parang lalaki pareho. Oo nga. Balik na balik.
You say,
You see!
Akala ko yung
I only hear what I want to, and don't listen hard. I don't pay attention to the
Kadulo
things
kayo.
that you're running for anyone, anywhere. Don't understand if you really care. I'm only hearing negative. No, 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 bad.
Huwag makina yan.
Turn the radio on.
Lalaki ka lang kaya.
The lovers in love and the lovers run away. The lover is right as the other won't stay. So it's over and leave for the other who was nice since the day they were born. Well, well, this is not like I think that I know that I'm through. And I thought I'd live forever, but now I'm not so sure. It's at the time that I'm better, and that don't take me anyhow. Or anywhere with you.
Parang lola na siya, no? Babae ba yan?
Babae kami.
Ang laki naman yun. Bating siya.
Pero pwede yung balakang niya babae. Pero ang laki niya.
Cause I miss you.
Hey, mukha yata. Naalala ko.
I miss you.
Yung broke back.
Parang mga ano.
Nakon ba na ba yung broke back nila?
Ay, kinakita ko na lang yung video.
Can't because you know you're just so scared to lose.
Maganda naman pala. Maganda naman sana. Pero yung katawan niya.
Parang masalita. Ay, laki na damit niya.
Actually, para siya si Mary Stuart Masterson. Diba? Ganyan po yung itsura. Pero yung petit,
Only hear what I want to.
Parang nasa si Diana, oh.
o matay
Dahil sa hair.